Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited to share one of my, go-to dishes that I make, I would say once a week in my household. It's fried rice, and I love it because it's so easy to make. It's vegetarian. It is just a staple in my household. As you all know, I'm married to a Korean man. My children are half Korean, so rice is a staple in our home. And I love making the fried rice with leftover rice. It's actually much better. So I usually plan ahead and I make extra rice. And then the next day I use the leftover rice to make fried rice. So let's get into the video and let me share with you guys how easy it is to make this dish. All right, let's get into the ingredients. Super easy. Again, I have my leftover rice. This is about 2 cups of rice from yesterday. I make my rice in my rice cooker, which I'm going to share with you guys right here. And then I already prepped everything for this video, but it's basically celery. I'm going to leave the correct measurements down below in the description box. I've already chopped celery. We have some chopped carrots. I'm also putting in some frozen peas. Now, if I'm having a lazy day, you can also purchase frozen peas and carrots in a little baggie, so you could do that as well. And I've chopped already my garlic, my onion. You can use any onion. I only had red onions today, so I'm doing red onions, and some ginger. I think ginger is really a great little secret in this dish. And then in terms of oils, I like to use avocado oil to fry everything. And I also love the organic toasted sesame oil, but I don't actually fry my vegetables with this. I use this more at the end as a topper because I really love the flavor of toasted sesame oil, but I don't recommend frying your vegetable with it because it's not good for like really high heat. And then of course soy sauce. I love this brand right here. So instead of salt, soy sauce. So I don't do any extra salt, but I do add a little bit of pepper. And then original fried rice would obviously also be with eggs mixed in. My husband loves it that way, but the way how I like doing it is I like to do a fried egg on top of it. So I'm gonna share with you guys how I like it, but if you don't like my version, you can always just scramble some eggs, and at the end you just sort of like pour the egg into your fried rice and mix it. But I'm just using fried eggs, which I'm going to share with you guys later. Oh, and I'm also adding some green onions, which I need to still chop, and I add some spinach at the very end. So let's get cooking. All right, so the first step is I'm going to add some avocado oil in my nice frying pan. I recommend either a wok or a really nice large frying pan. I like using avocado oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And then I'm going to fry my onion for about 5 minutes. And then I'm going to add my celery and my carrot. I'm going to fry that again for about 5 minutes till it's like really nice and soft. Then we're gonna add the garlic because the garlic only takes about a minute. And then we're gonna also add the ginger. And then I'm also going to add the peas, my frozen peas. And then once all of this is fried and mixed together, we are going to add the rice. And we're gonna mix everything really nicely. I'm adding my soy sauce, a little bit of pepper, and now you can add your sesame oil. And I'm also gonna add some of the green onions, just a handful. I'm adding a handful of spinach, and I'm also gonna cover it with a lid so the spinach can wilt. I like doing the spinach at the very end because I don't want to overcook my spinach, and I like it to be just really kind of like a minute, toss it in there, and it's really nice and fresh. And you can top it off with a little bit more sesame oil if you want to, and voila, your fried rice is done. Now, at this point, you could add your liquid eggs if you wanted to have it mixed into your fried rice, but I'm going to do it separately. In another little pan, I'm going to make a fried egg for you guys, and I'm going to show you how I serve it. All right, guys, let me show you how I make the fried egg. It's so easy. All I do is add a little bit of avocado oil in a separate pan. Make sure that you wait till the oil is heated up nicely. Then you're going to add your egg. And for some reason today my egg did not want to be nice to me, so it is not the perfect fried egg for me today, but it's still okay. I always add a little drop of water, and then I'm also adding the lid. And this is the step where you really have to watch, and I just let it cook a little bit too long because I like my fried egg to still be a little bit runny, because what happens is once you add it to your fried rice and you open up the fried egg, all the nice liquid egg yolk sort of runs into the fried rice, and that's the best part. All right, you guys, my fried rice is done. I love this dish so much. Again, this is so easy. It's great for like a weekday kind of dinner when you don't have a lot of time, if you have some leftover rice. And if you want to spice it up a bit, I always love a dollop of my gochujang paste, which you can sort of like mix underneath there, or you could also bring in some kimchi. So I'm going to just taste it really quickly with you guys and tell you what it is. It is perfect. Now my egg I cooked a little bit too long. If it is done a little bit less time, it's really nice when the egg yolk sort of like, you know, runs into the fried rice. So if you want to have it a little bit softer, it's really up to you how you want to cook it, but it is such a good dish, and I hope that you have a chance to make it. Bye.